Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today you're going to prepare together a super juicy turkey vegetable Bolognese sauce that is perfect for pasta or to dress any other grain or even quinoa that you like. This is a wonderful recipe for picky eaters because you can sneak in as many vegetables as you like and it will turn out in a lovely tasty sauce that your kids will love. First thing to do, I'm going to place in a food processor the carrots chopped in medium-sized pieces, the onion and the celery, and I will blend finely for 30 seconds in chop mode. Then remove and set apart. Using the same food processor, now I'm going to add the zucchini and the eggplants. I didn't peel the eggplant because I'm going to chop it, and the peel of the eggplant is the one that contains a lot of nutrients. So I'm going to close my blender and I'm going to chop for another 30 seconds in order to get a kind of small pieces consistency. You can keep blending up to 1 minute to get a kind of paste, vegetable paste. This is totally up to your kids' taste. If your kids likes small pieces of food, 20 seconds will be enough and you will get basically small tiny pieces, or you can keep blending up until obtaining a smooth paste. As I said, follow your kids' taste. In a nice big pan, drizzle 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, warm them for 30 seconds, 1 minute, and then add the carrot, onion, celery mix and saute for 3 minutes. At this point, add the ground turkey, stir well, and cook for another 5 minutes. It's time to add the zucchini and eggplant mix, all together with the chopped fresh tomatoes. And it's totally up to you. You can peel the tomatoes or not peel the tomatoes. It's totally up to how picky your toddler is. In my case, my little one, he doesn't like the tomato peel, so whenever possible, I try to peel them. I'm also adding the tomato paste, the thyme, and the bay leaves that will give a lovely extra flavor and nice scent to my sauce. I'm also adding half a cup of hot water, but you can add broth if you like. For older kids or for adults, adjust with a pinch of salt and let the sauce simmer for 15-20 minutes up until the water released from the vegetables is released and absorbed again, creating a nice, almost creamy sauce. The turkey vegetable sauce is ready to be used, all together with a nice small shaped pasta, and you can save the leftovers and freeze them for up to 3 months so that you will have a fresh vegetable turkey sauce ready when needed. This is a lovely, easy recipe and it's perfect for picky eaters because you can really sneak in as many vegetables as you like and the final taste is so yummy that your picky eater will not complain. If you're looking for similar recipes, just check the links in the area here below. This is also where you can leave me comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and we're going to see each other next week with another recipe from me. Ciao ciao!